Hey, it's Elwood, and this is another action lighting video. Hey, one of the most frequently asked questions I've gotten over the years I've worked here is this caution really true? On all of our rope light boxes, you're going to see a cautionary statement right on the cover. Must uncoil the entire product before plug-in. Well, hey, to all you unbelievers, we went out and did it. So let's cut to the tape and I'll show you what happens when you don't uncoil these rolls and you plug them in. Hey, as you can see, if you don't follow the caution, it can be a disaster. So remember, whenever you're dealing with electricity, make sure to take caution. And if you're not a professional or know what you're doing, please hire a professional. Electricity can be very dangerous. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your business.